Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive your stories on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to archive your stories, then first of all, you will need to activate the story archive feature if you haven't done it already. Just tap on your profile picture or tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on View Your Profile. From here, just click on the three dots at the right side of your profile settings and then click on Archive. Now from the Archive section, tap on Story Archive and now you will see the button to turn on your Story Archive. Go ahead and turn this button on, and after this, every time you post a new story, it will be added to your archive list. You can access this from your profile, and while this will not be visible to anyone else, you can share it in the future if you wish, or you can also remove it from your archive list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to archive your stories on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.